You can make up to $800 a day using this AI platform. Many people are doing this, and no, they are not coders, they are not tech geniuses, and they didn't even spend months learning anything. They just knew what to do. You might want to stick around because the last method is actually the most beginner friendly, and it might be the one to finally get you paid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 7 ways to use AI to start making money online fast. Before we start, if this is the first time seeing me on your screen, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that anytime I post a new content, you'll be the first to know about it. Now let's get right into it. The first one we're going to be looking at is selling ChatGPT prompts. People are literally making money selling sentences. Yes, you heard me right, sentences, and I'm serious. You know those little commands you give to ChatGPT like, write me 10 YouTube video ideas for a skincare brand? Yes, those are called prompts, and yes, you can actually sell them. The funny thing is you can even use ChatGPT itself to create these ChatGPT prompts. Isn't that crazy? And some people feel this method is a cheat code to make money, but here's the truth. Millions of people keep buying these prompts, which clearly means that they need the help. They just don't have the knowledge to speak ChatGPT's language, but I'm here to tell you there's absolutely nothing wrong with being smart and using your knowledge to your advantage. Now, there's a platform called PromptBase where people pay real money to download ready-made prompts. And if you are thinking, but who's going to buy mine? Well, that's the beauty of it. PromptBase already has the traffic, so you don't need to beg anyone. Just list your most useful prompts like the ones for productivity, content creation, SEO, anything at all. And when someone buys it, you get paid. Now that's passive income and it's something that is very simple to do. And the second thing we're going to be looking at is UGC creation. With UGC, which is user generated content, you make a pitch of short videos to brands. You don't need to be an influencer or even have millions of followers to do this. You notice a brand, you have better ideas on how to help the brand with more creative ways to make their ads than what you are seeing them do. But you can't afford the physical product of that brand. Don't let your pocket prevent you from your potential partnership, because here's the fun fact. You don't even need the physical product. InVideo has an AI tool where you can upload a product photo either from Amazon or Google, and it creates a professional looking video like a real ad. You can even DM these business owners or send them an email and show them the video you made. You can go like, hey, I made this video for your brand and I'd like to know if you want me to do more. Realistically, some will ignore you. Others will also take their time to pay attention to what you have to say. But once you're consistent with this, the cash will start flowing in. The third one we're going to be looking at is copywriting. If you can write basic English and you understand how to sell with words, you're already 80% there. The rest of the job will be done with the help of an AI. AI will help you to polish your words, and you can use ChatGPT for this. You can take that skill, go on LinkedIn and start building a copywriting portfolio for yourself. You can write formulated ad samples, product descriptions, or email copies just to show them that you know what you can do. Clients don't care about certificates. They want results. And I can tell you for free that I have partnered with a lot of brands through LinkedIn, and I don't even have a design certificate. What I do have though is a very relevant experience and the willingness to do more. Use LinkedIn to post, grow, attract people who will pay you to write for them. The fourth one we are going to be looking at is edit long-form videos for creators. YouTubers, podcasters, interviewers, they all have one problem. They hate editing. Even I sometimes have issues getting the time to edit my videos, but that's where you swoop in. You can use tools like CapCut or Descript to do the editing fast with the help of all their AI features. Cut off the fluff, add captions, make it smooth and send it back to them. You can actually charge per video or offer a monthly package to them, but as a beginner, you need to start with small creators, then you move up. You can get clients on LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork. Trust me, this one pays consistently if you do it well. The fifth we are going to be looking at is Voiceover Artist. If your voice is clear, confident, or you just even have a decent voice, you can make money doing voiceovers. AI voiceover platforms like ElevenLabs are blowing up right now, and guess what? They need new voiceover artists. If you can speak clearly with energy or calmness, you can offer voiceovers for YouTube channels, ads, or audiobook creators. You don't need a studio or a fancy mic to start. People are literally recording in their closet. You can train ElevenLabs on your voice and let it do the rest. Upload your samples to Fiverr, voice.com, or even DM people on TikTok. Look, there's no shame here, okay? Put yourself out there. The sixth one we are going to be looking at is becoming a social media manager. Brands need help staying active online. As a social media manager, your job is to create and schedule content, and AI makes it way easy. You can literally finish a month's work in a few days. You can use platforms like Notion, Plannily to plan posts, captions, and even AI-generated designs. Then to build a simple portfolio, you can use Workello or Canva. Send your portfolio to small business owners and say, here's how I can manage your page. Boom, that's a new client right there. Monthly income can start rolling in, so don't sleep on this. The seventh one we're going to be looking at is building websites using AI tools. You can literally build a fully functional app without touching a single line of code. Platforms like Glide, Softr, and CAD let you build delivery apps booking platform, and dashboards. All you have to do is to drag and drop and you are good to go. Make sample of projects, post them online, or list them on marketplaces. You can also offer to build custom tools for small businesses depending on your analysis you have made about their business and what you feel would add value to their brand. If you market this right, one client can pay you hundreds of dollars or even more. Now, I told you from the beginning that this is not some theory stuff. This is something that works, and I personally know colleagues who have been cashing out from this. Some people are doing this as a full-time job, some are doing it as a side hustle. All you have to do is just put in the work. The tools are there, just take advantage of it. Now, drop a comment below and tell me which of the AI platforms you are going to try. If you want me to break down one of these methods in full details, step by step with visuals, type breakdown and add the points in the comment section. And if I get a good number of comments, I'll work on that for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with someone who you feel will need it. If you want to also make some cool cash reposting other people's content, then watch this next video.